Yo, Nike pulling some more restocks out of their bag. And today, they're going to be going back into that shock drop bag and giving us 3 shock drops on some notable releases to release this year in 2024. Let's talk about it in today's video because we got to go quick, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated, man. If you guys are new here to the channel and you want notifications about shock drops, exclusive access, and all that good stuff, make sure you guys subscribe right now and hit the notification bell so you miss out on any of that content, man. And shouts out to the homie and the fam over at Family's Discord. I will link them down below. They literally let me know the times, the sneakers, everything that's happened today on the Nike Snkrs app. So if you want to, be a part of that group so you can know that information as soon as I know it, I'm going to link them down below. Go head over to IG, hit them up, tell them you want to join the Discord so you can get notifications about stuff like this as well. So during the Summer's Live, Snkrs app live that they will be doing today at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, there will be 3 expected shock drops to happen. And the first one is those Gem Red Air Jordan 1 highs. You also have the Green Glow ones, and of course the Shadow 1 lows. And I did have, the Green Glow 3s right here. And I just wanted to touch them on a couple things. Like, I feel like they're going crazy with this Green Glow colorway. You guys know we will be getting the Green Glow 3s this month. And then also during this Snkrs app live that we'll be doing for the summer's preview, they're going to be shock dropping the Green Glow Air Jordan 1. So I would anticipate they would have did one for these, but they are not. But there are 3 separate times for the shock drop. So I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown of the times. So the first shock drop will happen at 1:20 Central Standard Time and 2:20 Eastern Standard Time. The second drop will happen at 2:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the last shock drop will happen at 2:40 Eastern Standard Time. So I'm gonna run over those, times one more time for y'all. There's no specific order on when they are dropping them. They have the color codes right here, and I'm not too sure on which one it is. So I don't want a lot of y'all, but the first one, like I said, will happen at 2:20 Eastern Standard Time. The second shock drop will happen at 2:08 Eastern Standard Time, and then the last one will be happening at 2:40 Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you got your phone ready. Make sure your app is updated. Literally, the Summer's Preview Live is already, on the Snkrs app, ready to be previewed. As everybody already know about this information as of now. But like I said, man, if you want to have a little extra step ahead of the game, make sure your card information is up to date. Make sure your shipping address is good. Make sure your app is updated, man. All that stuff does help at the end of the day. And if I was y'all, bro, I would keep an eye out for them Green Glow 1s and the Shadow 1 lows. You guys know the Shadow 1s go crazy. And I feel like that Green Glow 1 colorway might do a little bit of numbers as well. They have a little bit more hype than anticipated due to, us getting similar colorways, similar color blocking like we'll be seeing with these Green Glow 1s. So you guys see it, bro, right here, man. The Jordan Summer Preview Live, man. This will be happening at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys are ready. Let me know down below in the comment section if you cop anything, because I'm gonna be at the gym getting it in while I'm trying to actually hit on these Shadow 1 lows and the Green Glow joints, man. But I appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you like the notifications like this about shock drops, restocks, all that good stuff. But we out of here, man. Appreciate y'all. Sorry for talking fast, but we gotta get to this shock drop, man. Peace.